Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, man, we are going to take a look at just a gorgeous 1969 Chevrolet Chevelle SS, and I mean killer. This car has just an absolutely gorgeous look. This is a factory code 10 black car too. So this isn't a green car that somebody took and painted black. This is a factory Tuxedo black car. Good running big block 396 underneath the hood. 4-speed manual trans. Car's out of North Carolina. It's got a good solid straight body, and this thing is straight. All brand new 18 and 20 inch wheels and tires. All brand new springs under the car. The car drives great. This is just a good car. Everything seems to be working. I mean, even the clock in there works. Factory tach and gauges. There's not a whole lot to really nitpick on this car. This car is very nice. Car's got to be straight to paint it black, and this thing is straight. Power rear antenna. Those iconic 69 taillights. Look how straight that thing is down the sides. I mean, it is straight. Again, brand new rubber all the way around it. Brand new 18 and 20 inch chrome Resto wheels. Chrome's nice. Great sound. Shifts out good. Clutch feels great. That's a nice car. Front disc brakes. I mean, look how straight that thing is. That car is slick. JA code, it's not a matching numbers car, but it is an era correct JA code 396. Edelbrock 4-barrel, Weiand aluminum intake, stock exhaust manifolds, power steering, power front disc brakes. It's got the K&N air cleaner on it with its chrome valve covers. The car's just undergone a recent body up restoration within the last 4 or 5 years. We don't know the actual miles on it, showing 26,000, but I'm sure that's 126 or 226. But nice. I mean, nice car. Pretty car. Chrome mirror, new door handles. They've definitely put new door rubbers in it. They've redone all the seats in here. New carpet, new sill plates. Looks like it's got all the correct seat belts in it. Headliner looks good. Factory SS steering wheel. It's got the Hurst shifter. Yeah, showing 26,000, but again, that's not original. Even like I said, clock works, all the tach and gauges work. He's got some aftermarket gauges underneath that are also just backups. Audiosounds, AM/FM radio. Parking brake works. It's got Flowmaster dual exhaust with chrome tips. It's got the 12-bolt 331 limited slip rear axle in it. It's got all the F41 suspension with the box control arms. And front and rear sway bars. which is one of the reasons it drives so well. Factory jack and spares in here. It's got the what do you call it? Spackle coated trunk like it should. Great car. Yeah, not overdone underneath. Definitely built to cruise. This thing is built to drive. Seats have definitely been all redone. Getting Hurst shifter. Fires right up. Just runs smooth as can be. Just a good car. Everything opens and closes real nice. How slick that car is, man. And tach works, holds great oil pressure. Clock works. Good sound. I mean, this thing, we can see it go down the road. I mean, it looks like $1 million on the road. What's you gotta?
It's going up and not getting a station.
Have to check it. Blower motor works. Again, all your gauges are functioning down there. That's a nice car. Nice car. Sorry. Oh, we have to check that turn signal. I bet you can the ball. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time we post a new video. Great way to keep track of us, guys. Look at that car, man. Killer stance. Whoever that painted that car did a beautiful job. It's not easy to paint black. Check it. Actually, I can see it shut back off in here, so maybe it just didn't.